Good morning, fellas. We are live. Good morning, Timbo. Paint Bar Trading, good morning. Least Estimator, good morning. Trader J, Nicholas, Daryl. And again, Nicholas. And D Versatility, good morning. Least Estimator. Mooncatcher. How we doing, fellas? How we doing? Let's get it. Let's have a good day. Let's have a good day. Need to get my clock. Get the clock set up. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, David. Good morning, Samay, Oliver, Mooncatcher. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's have a good day. Oh, let's do it. Thank you. Thank you, Least Estimator. All right, we're about 3 minutes from the open. All right, I am trying to get... Oh, I'm gonna be a little distracted here. I got to pay some bills. I forgot to do my check run. Usually I try to do that before stream, and I just got caught up in something else. But wait, why? What's going on with my clock here? Oh, hang on. Huh, that's weird. When I have my settings open, it doesn't show the clock. Hey, thanks, Oliver. Of course, when I was trading off stream, then I make money. Go figure. Go figure. You asked Patrick Whelan about Apex payout. He said he got the payout and have YouTube video, but can't find any payout name or video at his name. And he got mad. I bet he did. I bet he did. Hey, Torsten, good morning. The video said 33K payout. He didn't get a 33K payout, so that can't be right. At least he didn't from Apex. He got paid out from his dad. All right, we ripping up, ripping higher, right? Made a little move lower, now ripping higher. Oh, excuse me. All right, I need to update. I overslept this morning, if I'm being honest here, guys. I overslept, and now I need to do a little bit of work here and catch up on work that I should have done. Give me just a second, guys. I don't trade the open anyway, so not really missing anything. Hey, good morning, K-Trader. Hey, Camber Trades in the house. KG, Carolino. Good morning. Design Knob in the house. Good morning, fellas. Good to see everybody. All right, right up at the 300s. This is going to be an important level today, I feel like. Going to be an important level. Wow, all the way through the 310s. She ripping, boys. Market only goes up. We have news at 10. Thanks, Black Coffee. Thank you. We will definitely be just being patient here. Three 14s. Now pulling back down to the 300s. Man, this is tempting to jump in here. Here we go through the 310s again, 315s. Let's see if we make new highs. All right, here we go, 319s. Can't quite get through the 320s here. It's tempting to jump in here. I always regret it when I trade these free markets, but ugh. Hang on. Hey, through the 20s. Or see if we keep going. Hey, Amelia Stitcher, good morning. M. Susan, good morning. Sharuz, good morning. Nao, good morning. All right, I need to get my ducks in a row here with the work. Got a little bit of work to do yet. My internet seems to be really slow this morning. I'm not sure why. All right. Now we just need to print the checks, sign them, and we're good to go. Okay, we have completed. We're ready to focus. Ready to focus on trading. Let's go. All right. Usually I do that before a stream and I overslept. I heard that Bulldogs don't like scalpers. Nutty sends checks to his subscribers. Nope. Tell you what, if you own a business, it's crazy. Money comes in, money goes out. That's what happens in a business. And the main goal is you just hope a little bit more money stays in than what goes out. Fun times. What happened to my friend in Jamaica? Oh, you're talking to UCLA. Got it. You feel like a manager watching Nutty work. They don't have bill pay through banking or checks online, Nao. Nope. You have to understand, so like most of the supplier base that we use is from the Amish community. So we just send them checks. All right, here we go. We got through the 30s now. I mean, we might just need to jump in here on these little pullbacks. I'm a little skeptical, but we are above. If we look at the 60-minute chart, we are above this 300 level, which was a pretty key level. We just ripped right through it. So I feel like we need to maybe be looking to jump in here, folks. Wait for a pullback, though. We're not going to get crazy. All the way up to the 340s now. Wow, this thing is really ripping. We do have the numbers at 10 o'clock, so I will probably wait to take any trade until after those numbers come out. All the platforms have been slow. Yeah, I heard a couple different people say that. What business do I own? So we do hospitality and restaurant furniture. So we like a restaurant, if a new restaurant is going up, we work with the designer, but they will, tables, chairs, the point of sale, the back bar area, the bar area around that. That's what we do. And then the other hospitality part, we do also hotels, which basically hotel furniture, the bed, the nightstands, the TV stands. And then the other part that we do is like retail shelving, like retail fixtures, where if you walk into like a Bath and Body Works and you see the shelves where all the candles are displayed, that's what we do as well. But we use the local supply chain, which is massive, to make things for us. We kind of manage everything, and then we have a big warehouse where we assemble everything and get final QC and ship out. Oh, you're from High Point Trip Trades? Okay, yeah, you know all about that. High Point is a very, they do a lot of the same things, actually. Oh, very cool, Trip Trades. That's cool. Nice. All right, we're getting a pullback here again. I don't really want to dive in here before the news. Kind of tempting. Also, we are trading minis today. So kind of making a concerted effort to be a little bit more aggressive on these accounts, being that they're still just right at 50,000. Obviously, we have these two accounts right here that are already across the payout threshold. So here in what, 5 days, we will be able to, I'm not sure actually I'm going to request a payout on these two because it would, I'm not sure yet. I might, and then I have more evals that are past that I could replace them with. I'm actually going to have to make a decision because in 9 days, on the 19th of May, my remaining evals that I have passed are going to be set to rebill. I don't really want to see them rebill, so I will probably turn those into funded accounts. And I guess we're just going to be copy trading more funded accounts then. And we're getting a little bigger pullback here down to the 30s, down to the 25s. We might just be waiting for the news. We live in Southwest Missouri, Dutch, German, Amish communities. Okay, I see. Yeah, MZ316, pretty much. I mean, Holmes County, you know, is one of the largest. I think it would be the second largest Amish community in the world. Hey, look at that. Apex said I can claim a gift. Did anyone else get that email? I get to claim a gift. What should I do? What do you think, guys? What should we get? What should we get? They got some new, these are new. Some of these shirts, this coffee mug is new. I could get this shirt and then wear this shirt to mow the lawn. Hey, some of these are not too bad. I kind of like it. Ooh, you can get a hooded. Very interesting. I'm just gonna scroll through, see if there's anything I really want. It's got some pretty cool designs. Like that kind of catches my eye there. Or this one. Ooh, that white one is nice. Some of these coffee cups are pretty cool. Oh boy, I don't know. I need to figure out. I need to decide which one I want to get. I get to pick one free gift. I'm not sure why. It didn't really say why I get a free gift. It just said, express our appreciation. I don't know if it's because I'm an affiliate or is it just because. But I'll take it. I like free. I like free stuff. It's hard to beat free. After a certain amount of payouts, you get a gift. Ooh, let's go. Maybe it's after 50,000 because I just crossed the 50,000 in payouts threshold. I mean, I've already gotten this. So this gift notice is my second one. A couple months ago, I got my first gift notice. I already claimed that. But this is now my second gift Like you're like, I guess this would be my second gift. So that's why I'm not sure. Like I just got the email last night. Kind of want to get a hooded sweatshirt because I feel like that would be the best value, you know? But man, it's tempting here to get in on this. Okay. Oh, I can choose a white one. Ooh, that's sharp. Indigo blue. Irish green. Man, there are a lot of different. Light pink. Feel like my wife should choose what color because when I choose my color, it's usually the wrong one. She's like, no, you look better in this color. Ah, the heck with it. I'm ordering this one. All right, guys, we got news. We got news in 2 minutes or 1 minute. News in 1 minute. Be careful. Hey, now Nathan Walton, thanks for the sub. I missed it 29 minutes ago. Thank you. Purchased the leopard skin shirt. Oh, that's funny. I like that. Hmm. All right, news is out. Let's see what we do here. Looks like we're pulling back. Yeah, she going lower, folks. That means we will just be waiting. All right. Evidently, the news wasn't good. Requirements for a free gift. Only the top 100 affiliates in May qualify. Only the top 100 traders in May qualify. Let's go, BP. Hey, we made it in the top 100. Thank you, guys. That's thanks to you guys. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for using my code. I really do appreciate it. Especially when there's thousands and thousands of codes that people can use. And you guys choose to use mine. Thank you. That's all I can say. I really do appreciate it. The news just dropped? Yes. Oh, my ticket. News just dropped at 10. Hey, I appreciate it, Martin. Thank you. Okay, we are pulling back quite a bit below the 300s now. I think we just wait and I'm gonna see if maybe we get a V-shaped reversal move, but this is where we have to be careful. I don't want to get trapped. See if we so tempting to go long here, but I need to wait a little bit longer, be a little more patient. I do not want to get trapped here. Okay, is this gonna put in the V-shaped reversal move here? Whoops. Man, I almost placed an order by accidentally clicking on my mouse right there. That was close. I want to see if we actually get a continuation. This could just, if this stair steps it down, then I don't want any part of it. Where is John? John and Red Poker are missing this morning. Now, yeah, it's starting to look like we might be stair-stepping it down. See if we make new lows here. We're hanging out right at the 295s. Seem to be respecting VWAP somewhat. Man. I'm going to take a stab here. Come on. Oh, it's going to do me hard. It's going to do me dirty. It's going to want to do me dirty. Dang it. And here we go. Looks like we're going to take it to the face. Dang it. Yeah, we stair-stepped it down. Man. Just cannot. I guess I should have waited a little bit more. Man. I was so tempted to move my stop there, but I didn't. Glad I didn't. Now, are we going to take out the lows here? The 250s? Wow. Big sell-off here. Crazy. Yeah, really, design? Yeah, I've gone through those moments too. Should have been a little more patient. I thought it was holding here. I thought we were gonna get. I thought we weren't gonna make that new low, but it did the old ripperoo, ripperooski. Yeah, 350, there was definitely a lot of resistance. Now we wait, because I don't know, is this thing going to just tank today? Now that we're below this, below the 300s, I mean, I almost want to look for a short here, see if we don't test the 250s. All right, I'm just going to take, dang it, I should have held. Dang it. Dang, I had such a good entry there, and oh, I hate when I do that. That right there is where copy trading is still a little bit of a hurdle for me. Like right there is the area where I really need to improve on, because and it's a mental thing. It's just something where I need to work through it. I just need to I mean, I do fairly well with not moving my stop loss and stuff, which is good. Like that part I don't have as much of an issue with, but also I need to learn how to just hold for my target that I place initially. At least give it a chance. At least give it a chance before I just kind of panic sell. And I think that is definitely a cause and effect of doing copy trading, which I'm okay with. Like, those are part of the hurdles that I need to continue to work through. Because if that's just one account, if I'm just trading one account there, I'm way more likely just to let that trade work, which, I mean, right now, it's probably a good thing it would have hit my target and would have been like a really quick trade. That's why you're taking profits, quick profits. Yeah, Degoot. Thanks. Exactly. That's what I mean. But I mean, I'm okay with it. I'm just kind of talking through my mental process and the challenges. But this is also why I want to challenge myself to do copy trading, so that I can work through this. Because if I don't work through it, then I'm never going to get better, I feel like. But we dipped, took out, the lows here, and then just immediately ripped back up. So this could be we could be making a move higher now. but I just want to be careful. Hey, good morning, everything pies. Alan Sutton. And this is also where I feel like I trade a little bit better if I'm trading more than one contract. Sometimes I feel that, but right now we're going to look for a little bit more of a scalping mentality. Because I did more of the scalping mentality yesterday. My first trade, I looked for 22 ticks profit, and after that, 13 ticks, and that was it. I just scalped yesterday, and I did really well. And it kind of reminded me that I hadn't really been scalping that much recently. Usually I don't scalp when I trade micros because it just doesn't make sense. But when I trade one mini, then I do scalp. It's easier said than done. Oh, I know it is, Citizen. It is. It's not easy. It is not easy. That mental, working through that mental hurdle and just. But I feel like the only way we get better is if we challenge ourselves and actually push ourselves to do better. If we just, if I never copy trade again, and I mean, that's not anything wrong with it, but I think there's a healthy balance, because if you continue to fail, then maybe you're just not ready. Maybe you're not cut out to copy trade. And that might be me in a couple months. We'll find out, but we're going to give it a shot. But wow, look at this. Here we go through the 250s. What a nice, I mean, this thing is stair-stepping its way down. So we need to be probably looking for shorts. And there we go, taking out the 240s, 245s. Again, if we zoom out here on the 60-minute chart, right here at the 250s, it's going to be important. If we don't hold, we could be going down and testing the 170, 180 area again. So it stays like this where it can be very tricky. On the 1 hour, didn't hit the 20 MA. Yes. Yeah, true. If I'm planning to scale up again to 20 accounts, V Ranjan, I maybe, like, if I could get these 7 accounts, get them across a payout threshold, build a nice buffer, then I would add more to it and just kind of do it that way. So I ultimately, that would be like my end goal, but I need to prove to myself that I can copy trade 7 accounts consistently before I go and add more accounts. And we're not there yet. We're definitely not there yet. We're kind of doing the up and down. We take a loss, then we kind of make it back, and we're just kind of sitting at that break even. We haven't had I was hoping today we could maybe have like a breakout day where we get a nice green day, but you never know. It might happen, might not. All right, getting a little bit of a pump higher here. Definitely looking for shorts here. Right now at the moment, there's no need to be trying to pick the bottom here. Yeah, Neo, it did. We just kept ripping lower. Okay, we can make a push up to like the 270, 265 area here, then maybe we look for another short. It's so nerve-wracking because I keep having these visions of all these V-shaped reversal moves, so I always have a hard time trusting these stair step down. But man, this is might just have to short here. Come on, pump it up a little bit higher. I need to use the restroom really bad. I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, that's nice. It looks like we're just going to keep going lower. Man, we just never did make it back up to this. I was looking at this kind of 265, 270 area for a... Oh, man. Shorts are in play. Man. Hey, Red Poker. Market just goes down. Market goes up and down. That's more like it. Uh, Man, this is tempting me to go long. I just told myself not to do it. We're right here at the pre-market lows. If we see a big bounce, this could be it. Gosh. All right. Nope. Never mind. We're going lower. Oof. It's very impressive. Very impressive market. The 200s will be an interesting level. Actually, the 220s, 215s, right here is also a pretty interesting level. Hey, Oliver, just got the payout. Let's go. All after just 11 PAs. That's impressive, Oliver. Okay, that's actually impressive. Very nicely done. Yeah, Kid Poker, I guess the news was bad at 10. That's all I know. Has to be. Hey. How we doing, Kid Poker? Good to see you. All right, through the 220s. Man, I don't know why I want to buy this so bad. I need... This is 100% intuition-based trade here. Thankfully, it worked. I feel like if we're going to make a V-shaped reversal move to the upside, I feel like this is where it's going to happen. If this doesn't happen here, we could be in for a big move lower today. If we look at the daily chart, like this thing is either going to... I mean, I could easily see this thing ripping lower, but if we do make a move, I think it'll happen right here. I'm going to go out on a limb and say it. I usually don't like trying to pick the bottoms, but market only goes up, right? Until it doesn't. All right, I'm going to change my scalping is now going to be 13 ticks. We're just going to scalp for 13 ticks the rest of the day. Scalp mentality. Also, guys, I will only be able to stream until noon again today. What can I say? Got lots of other things to do. I'm looking forward. I'm gonna take out a very good friend. We're gonna go out for lunch. And we're not gonna go to Wendy's, I don't think. You have a life? Sometimes. Streaming to noon is such BS. It is kind of a lazy attempt at streaming. I don't even disagree. Oh man. I do like when I'm able to stream till like 2:30. 2:30 in the afternoon is like perfect for me. But it seems like lately it's been just kind of crazy. Ever since we came back from Jamaica, I feel like I'm just been a little bit busier. Just more things to do. What I want to see now is I want to see a move higher. I want to see maybe a move up to the 250s, and then I want to see a pullback and a failure to make new lows. That is what I'm waiting for. You like until if I stream until 5 a.m. Is that red? Yes, Orlando. It is red. If you squint really hard and something, maybe you can squint some green out of it, but unfortunately it's red. But it was way more red just a couple minutes ago. Just trade every candle like I do, says Matty Matt. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? What stock trading? I just joined. I am trading NQ. We are trading futures, not stocks. What was it like in Jamaica? It was awesome. It was really warm. It was really warm, but it was still a good time. We had a lot of fun. And I want to do we did make new lows, barely. If I've traded take profit trader, actually I have not. I have not win. Well, okay, wait. Are you saying if I've ever used take profit? Yes, I have. I actually have currently a funded account with them and haven't traded it yet. So I was supposed to get it yesterday, but I didn't, and I just got it actually this morning. So I'm kind of waiting. The take profit funded account, I'm looking for like way bigger moves, and I'm going to see if I can't hold for bigger profit targets. That's kind of my goal with take profit, just to hold for really big targets, but I guess we'll see how that goes. If I like it, yeah, I've always liked take profit. There's obviously pros and cons to any prop firm. Like the thing I like about take profit is their payout policy. Once you get above that profit threshold, you can pay yourself every day. And I like the concept of that. Now, have I taken advantage of it? Not really. I've gotten one payout from take profit, but that's it. So I haven't really taken advantage of it. But maybe this time I will. All right. This is, man, it's tempting to jump in this. Oh, if it's tempting, there's no trade. I know it's tempting. Craft Costanza take profit is trailing drawdown in the funded account, so holding might be tricky. Yeah, I know, Craft. I know. That is definitely a challenge, and I'm well aware of it. So I'm not sure that looking for bigger profit targets is like a great idea. You definitely have to trail your stop pretty good. Like you don't. I'm gonna have to trail my stop. Probably. I'm probably. I haven't fully decided, but I think I'm gonna trade 3 minis, and then take take profit with 2 of them, and then try to hold for that 1 remaining contract and hold for bigger targets. I think that's going to be my plan, but we'll see. You know how it goes. How did I lose money today? I made 4K. That's actually comical, Nick. If it's ever been a more immature comment, I don't know how. Yeah. How did you lose money? It's actually quite simple. And I'm pretty sure, Nick, if you put your mind to it and really focus up, you'll be able to lose money. All right. But it can be difficult. How did you lose money? That's funny. Very, very carefully. Very carefully is how I did it. He can think about it for 5 minutes. I like it. It's just that's actually a funny comment. The only thing he was missing 3 letters. He was missing 3 letters. He should have done the LOL after that comment. He should have done the LOL, and I think I could have gotten him the ban hammer. I think I could have pulled the trigger. Yeah, LOL. Can you keep past evals on standby? Yes, you can, Martin. Just be aware, Martin, that your rebilling date, if you don't turn them into funded accounts, you will get rebilled again at that 30-day rebilling cycle. So be aware of that. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. How we doing? You're up 350. Let's go. That's awesome, David. That's awesome. Man, look at this nice move higher now. We did kind of, I can be like all the other teachers. Hey, see, I said blah, 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 but not taking the trade. I feel like I can't brag about it if I didn't take the trade. What is my favorite granola bar? What are granola bars? My favorite bar, I don't eat granola bars. I eat Nutty Bars. How do you write off the Apex charges, Jay? With taxes? You just list them as an expense. That's it. Look at this thing rip. Okay, now this is fine. Now we just want to see a pullback and a failure to make new lows. That's all we need. And then we're in. And if we don't get the pullback, then we just, I guess we're just going to be sad. But we should see the pullback right here, hopefully. But man, this is a nice move higher. Ban him for the granola bar question. How dare you? Hey, Francis, good morning. Patrick was talking about me this morning on his trade site. I'm sure Patrick had nothing but nice things to say about me and, you know, just singing my praises, I'm sure. Nutty CPA. Hey, Amakre, congrats. Don't give me credit, okay? I don't ever want any credit for someone else's trade, because actually pressing the button and then taking the trade is way different than someone just talking about it. Basically just reject the bottom of that 15-minute range for that week if we get back in to stay above. Yeah. Patrick who? Nice, Neo. Nice. That's awesome. Okay, now we get the pullback. Let's just hope we don't make new lows. That's the key. I'd love to get a pullback light to the 230s. But we might not get that big of a pullback. We might only get to the 240s here. Hey, Sharu's 2 accounts ready for payout. The 30's coming soon. Let's go. Yeah, don't trade the 2 accounts. That's awesome, Sharu's. Congratulations. That's awesome. You didn't know I only prefer nutty bars? You're good, cats. We're just giving you a hard time. The nutty bars I prefer. Hang on, I'll tell you. I'll show you. Right here. These are actually the best kind of nutty bars, and I've tested all of them. So they're actually not technically called nutty bars, but they're the same thing. And getting that deep pullback here. Uh-oh. Now we just gotta be patient. Don't make new lows, because I'm gonna be clueless on what I want to do then. Oh, it's not looking good, folks. All right, maybe. Oh, this is where I wanted to get in. We're gonna pull the trigger. Boom. Hey, what's happening? Why am I in a trade? Son of a... You have got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Now I'm actually upset. You got to be kidding me. Gosh dang it. Okay, that... Yeah, Matt, I think you're right. That's what happened. It was lagging and I should not have hit the close button. And then as soon as I hit the close button is when it actually put me in a reverse position. Very, very frustrating. Very frustrating. All right, I'm going to take this. That was a little bit of a revenge trade, but man, that upset me. Trader R. Trader R, like I know I noticed that you seem to have an issue with trades by Matt, but I mean I think it's I think it's a little misplaced. He's getting payouts. He's had a 200,000 in payouts. The proof is there. He's shown it. The payouts, it's on the payout page. It's real. That son of that really frustrated me. Why doesn't he get the 300K accounts? I mean, why would he? I don't see why you would. If you get a 50K account and you can increase your buffer, the account acts exactly the same as a 300K account for less money. If we have a Discord, no, we don't. You could do more size, but if you've been watching Matt, he doesn't trade big size. He takes one contract and, you know, he doesn't trade big size, so it really wouldn't be a benefit. Makes absolutely no sense. You pay the same per month. It actually does make a lot of sense, Trader R. It does actually. Have you been trading prop firms a long time, or because the fact that you think it doesn't make sense doesn't make sense. One contract for a 50K is way too big. I mean, technically maybe, but not with where he's at the time. Like right now with the buffer he has, it isn't. I mean, I'm trading one contract right now. Is it more risky? Yes, it definitely is. But I think it's just your risk tolerance. Okay, here we go. We're going to make new lows. All right, boys. I guess. Imagine if I would have just held. So basically, we have a $240 loss that should not be here. This one right here. But if we would have just held for a little bit longer, we'd be multimillionaires right now. Maybe not quite. He paid the lifetime fee. I'm not sure he did. Did he? How much is Apex for 50K versus 300K per month for the PA? The per month fee is the same, Trader R, but the one-time fee is way different. And the actual cost for an eval is also way different. And it's also 3 times harder to pass a 300K account. For what reason? Like, doesn't make any sense. It would make no sense to get a 300K account. Like, I don't get it. I don't get I'm not sure why you think that's like a gotcha of some sorts. That makes no sense at all. All the way down to the 200s. I mean, you'd have to make 20K to pass a 300K account. And what benefit is there? Very little once you're actually in a funded account and above the threshold. It's like not worth it. Because he's passing them all on news announcements. What makes you think that he had, like, you don't even know how many evals he has. He's going long and short 20 on NFP based on what? How do you know that, Trader R? Or like, what makes you think that he's still passing evals? I'm sure he's gone through evals, but he's been trading these 20 funded accounts for now close to 4 months. I don't get your hang up on that. It makes no sense. He won't show the account numbers. It does. Why does that matter? He still has 200K in payouts. I don't get. Sometimes I don't get it. If you just want to hate, you're gonna find anything you can to hate. So I guess whatever. He has them in the background. So. And it's not that it's not allowed. You're allowed to pass evals going long and short on both. That is allowed. He spent 150K in evals and resets. That is completely speculation on your part, Trader R, and you're being just like, that makes no sense. It would be impossible for him to be going through evals and PAs right now. Wouldn't be possible, wouldn't be feasible. Because he has to trade 10 days in between, and the fact that he shows the account balances in between days is proof enough for me. Does he show everything? Maybe not, but if you follow his account balances, it's pretty simple. Anyway, I'm not going to keep discussing it. It's pointless. Yeah, Citizen Zero. That's what I mean. Like, big deal. He's got 200K in payouts. Congrats to him. Let's just, that's what matters. I don't know. Whatever. And, okay, are we going to get... I don't even know what we want to be doing now because this thing... We are just stair-stepping this down, and I do not know where the bottom is going to be. If we look at the 60-minute chart now, we're coming up on this EMA. This is the 100 EMA. So, I don't know if that's going to matter or not. It seems like it held here. But I want the screenshot. Everyone forgetting April 2021. What happened, Trader R? Please inform me. Tell me now. That's 3 years ago, but hey, I'm all for it. What's the problem? I mean, did he hurt you at some point? Hey, Kevin Murray. So, okay, Kevin Murray says you believe he's in a video he spent approximately 7K before with Apex before getting profitable. I believe that. He's been scamming people the entire time. I mean, dude, I don't know what to tell you, Trader R. I think you need to go talk to someone. I think you need to go talk to someone. I don't get it. I do not get it. Guys, 7K is nothing. I agree, Matty Matt. 7K is pocket change. I mean, I've invested. Let's just say this. Now that I have 52,000 in payouts, I am definitely net positive. But I should recalculate actually because I don't even know. It's like 36,000 total that I've spent. So I ain't throwing stones. If someone gets 200K in payouts, then I mean, I'm sure there's people that have probably gotten 200K in payouts and have spent more than that, but I bet there's probably not a lot. Yeah, Alpin's had 160 PAs. Yep. Well, Trader R, okay, like I don't understand why you believe TBM is a scam. Like obviously you have some kind of vendetta against him. You got some kind of issue with him, but the thing, like I don't show my account numbers. I don't show everything either. So technically if you want to be fair, you should have issues with me too. Like, I mean, I try to be as transparent as possible, but there's some things that I'd prefer or I just don't show. It's more because the trolls and I don't want to show my account number because I do feel like if people were really motivated, they could try to hack your account. I don't know. My wife is very, very paranoid about showing my account number. She's very paranoid about that, but it doesn't, like, again, your payouts and it's verified is what matters. And you've never been trading demo by mistake. I mean, I haven't. I don't even know the ins and outs of that. I don't know what happened. Trust, I don't. Right, Tom Bernard. I doubt it either. You have to spend money to make money. That's very true. I bet there is a very, very, very small percentage of people that will, you know, by their first 10 PAs, you know, they will make hundreds of thousands of withdrawals. That's just not realistic. So that's not really the expectation that I have for people. Hey, you're here to inquire about today's mute count. I'm a changed man, Sir Al. I promise, I'm a changed man. I no longer mute on accident. I had an epiphany, and I'm a changed man. I no longer mute on accident. Knock on wood. Do you think I can pass my first eval I ever do? You know what, Yakin? I'm going to say yes. Why not? Why not? I believe. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Well, market. I feel like I should be looking for a short here, but I'm scared. I do know someone though, like this is crazy, but I do know someone that has gone over 1,200 PAs and over 4,000 evals. That those are some crazy numbers, okay? You guys are being too kind. I cannot sing and I'm not, you're not going to trick me into thinking I can. You will not get singing Nutty here. Gosh. No, I'm dead serious. That is true. No, I don't know if the guy I'm talking about is definitely not. It's not Patrick, but Patrick's got to be. I can't even imagine how many evals Patrick has gone through because I mean he goes through them like I'm sure like hotcakes. The way that he trades, man, that's crazy. It's a lullaby to the ear. Thank you, QQ. Oh, you guys are too nice. The number 7. Yeah, right. You're not going to trick me into. I have rewatched to the stream. I've even asked my wife, and she says I say 7 completely fine. Okay? So it's you guys that are the problem, not me. Okay? Just so we're clear. Just so we're clear. Here, you guys thought you've been saying 7 correctly, and you actually haven't. I feel bad for you guys. I actually feel bad. Poor guy. It's unfortunate. Don't get me started. I'll ban every one of you. Just kidding. Maybe. Yeah, I know what you try to say, but I know the truth. We all know the truth. Come on. Oh, do I trust this? Mm. Just looking to scalp. Hey, we got filled. We didn't get it put into a phantom order or phantom trade of any kind. Let's go. Let's go, Tom. You used 20 evals. Use my code. You're my hero. Move my target lower and hold it. It is tempting. I won't lie. It went through my mind. And then I decided, you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take the scalps. And that's how we're going to that's how we're going to dig out of this hole. The SS trailing drawdown is heading into the harbor at the Grand Cayman. You are funny, design. Hang on, I gotta take this call. Hey, and we're back. All right, market. Maybe this is the time we don't put in new lows and then we try to make a move higher. Thumper, what in the heck? What is wrong with people? Man, I wanted this thing to be moving quickly here. All right, I'm getting out. Let's get to break even. Now we can. A little impatient. Nutty Bar's being impatient today. Entering the right trades and I'm seeing things correctly, but I'm being impatient when I enter. Man, well, we need one more really good trade. I need one really good trade here. What do you think about Alpine 150K payouts this year? Vitali, I think it's awesome. I think it's great. I love it. I wish I had 150K payouts and he had even more. Man, I think come on. This trade is scaring me. Thank you. Had me scared there. I think we're gonna break out here. I think we're gonna rip it. We're gonna rip it. Man, I almost forgot. Gosh, what time is it? It's 11:20. Hang on. Well, maybe it won't. We might just go sideways now. Oh, really, Francis? Good to know. With this style of trading, how long it took you to get your PA accounts? Tally. So I did not trade these evals like I am trading them now. I I might have YOLO'd a couple. Full disclosure. And here we go. Man, I was so close to entering again right there. Oh, I didn't pull the trigger though. I think this thing really looks like it wants to rip higher. Here we go. I went all in. Maybe. Maybe I did. I might have. Hey, take care, Kevin Murray. I appreciate it. I will probably be ending stream here in the next 30 minutes. I have a lunch. I have a lunch scheduled that I'm looking forward to. Guys, can you imagine if we didn't have that one accidental trade of $240 loss, we'd be up $300 right now. That makes me want to break something. But I'm glad, I guess, that we're green. Green is green, but that does feel pretty bad. You have 10 eval accounts. Your target is 300 on average. 20 days is my target. That's awesome, Hatfield boy. I think that's great. I was not muted, Sharoos. Come on. You had me going there for a second. And now we pull right back again. Well, maybe I don't know. This thing is starting to feel like it's wanting to go sideways. Hey, Matty Matt, we did. We hacked and clawed and screamed and yelled our way back to green. It was pretty ugly at times, but we did it. Why was I put on a timeout? I'm not sure, Kat. I'm not sure. I don't have full control over my mods, you know. Sometimes my mods do things that you might not understand. Oh no, Ina. Ponzi in the house. Hey, nice, Matty Matt. The mods are rogues. Good morning, traitorous chick. Man, it's tempting. I feel like, yeah, we could be in for another drop. The fact that we did not make a continuation here gives me pause. Makes me think we're gonna go sideways or just maybe continue to roll over. Either way, I'm not interested. Feel free to time me out, Matty Matt. No one mentioned the 800. What 800? What from who? Hey, we're doing the big green, red, green candle sequence. We're doing the barcode signals. I need to check the weather here. Oh, snap. Guess what I'll be doing today? Oh, guess what I'll be doing after lunch? That's right. We'll be mowing the lawn. Hallelujah. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, here we go. Bulls are still in control right now, at least for the moment. You also don't have... I have bad internet? I might. You know, I would go golfing, but I have to mow the lawn. That's got priority right now. Yeah, I know what you were doing, Matty Matt. How old I am? I'm 40 years old. Can you take a picture of your lawnmower to verify you actually have one? Oh, I'm glad you asked. I'm glad you asked, man. I don't get to show off my lawnmower often, but when I have a chance to do it, I will take it. All right, here she is. You baby. There she is. Oh, she's a beauty. You love to see it. Very funny. K trader. Wait, GME is up almost 100% this week. Well, dang on it. I missed out again. That's an expensive mower. Kinda. I think the mower, everything, all the attachments, I think it was like close to 7,000, but hey, who's counting? How does it handle slopes? I'm actually not sure. I don't really have that much of a slope where I'm mowing. Like my lawn doesn't have that big of a slope, so I know it's not great for like really steep slopes. It's not the best for that. But for what I have, the lawn I have, it's perfect. And I love every minute of it. I have a golf course in your backyard. Not really. I wish. If it was completely up to me, I would have like a par 3 hole in my lawn, like for real. I already have it mapped out where my tee box would be, and then I could have like a 160-yard par 3 hole with some trees, and then there would be a bunker to one side. I want to do it, but you know, still have need to work on the boss, if you know what I mean. If ditching the hotel furniture and getting to landscape maintenance, no, that wouldn't. See, if I would do that, then that would mean I couldn't do this. What's really nice about the current business that I have is the flexibility. I can trade, and after hours and pre-market, I can catch up on work usually, and it allows me great flexibility. So I want to keep that. Okay, market, are we going to rip this thing lower, or what's the plan? Man. Hey, Monkey Trades Futures, how we doing? Yeah, it's been a volatile day for me, man. We were down 300 at one point. Then we clawed our way back. And then I took an accidental trade. I mean, it was kind of my fault, but took a $240 loss again, and now we're back to green. So I feel like, part of me, I'm like, maybe I should just call it a day right here. Maybe I should just call it a day. I actually need to go here in the next 20 minutes anyway. So actually not sure I'm going to take another trade. You know, the worst thing on a Friday, now that we're green, the worst way to end the stream would be to take one more trade and then take like a $200 loss. That would be like, that would just give me just a bad taste in my mouth. Hey, we have the same green today, already trading. Let's go. I hope you get more. I hope your green is higher by the end of the day. All right. Market has been up a lot the last week. Yeah, I mean, Kid Poker, I think we, you know, market only goes higher, right? I can pitch 50 yards in my backyard. Great for the short game. Actually, that's actually really good too. My short game is pretty consistent right now. My putting is consistent right now. I actually golfed last week, and I shot I think I was 9 over on 18 holes, which is really good for me. Now, I do feel like I need to disclose that I do allow myself one mulligan per 18 holes. And I did use a mulligan on an out of bounds shot, so technically I guess it wouldn't be 9 over, but that's how I play. Yeah, the short game is very, very key. Iron play for me, if my iron play is decent, then I play well. My driving is usually fine. But if my iron play is bad, that's when things really go off the rails. My iron play is what needs the most work right now. It's like, it just isn't consistent. But yeah, on a good day, I will shoot. On a good day, I'll shoot low 80s. On an average day, I shoot like high 80s, you know, so high 80s to even like lower 90s on a kind of, I would say that's an average. But if I have a really good day, like I'll shoot, you know, right around 80. I think I was 81. Oh, really, Kid Poker? That's awesome. Hey, we would make good golfing partners. Down to 10. That's really good, Kid Poker. That's really good. That's awesome. Hey, we going lower. All right. Well, this is where I want to. I actually think I'm going to call it here, guys. I just don't see. I don't want to dive into this. I really don't. I'm just going to make things. I'm going to take my green for the day. It was a kind of a crazy, hectic day, to be honest. And I'm very happy to be green. Very happy to be green and call it a Friday. Good ending to the week. And overall, the week was okay. Obviously, we're not making a lot of progress on these accounts. Not kind of like how I was hoping. But that is also why I'm going to start trading minis. Be a little bit more aggressive. And hopefully next week we can kind of ramp. I would love to get like a $300-$400 profitable day. Really give these accounts a boost. But I don't want to be too aggressive. But trading one mini is kind of the plan going forward. So I like it. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it here. I got a lunch with someone that I'm looking forward to, and then I'm going to go mow my lawn, and we're going to have a great time. Maybe I'll even post a picture of once I've mowed the lawn. I might post a picture, so just stay tuned. All right, everybody, take care. I appreciate every one of you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks, everyone, for using my code. I do appreciate that. And we will be back Monday. Also, happy Mother's Day. Yes, thank you, Traders Chick, for reminding me. Mother's Day is one of my favorite holidays. I know for me, we're planning to go visit my mom. And obviously, don't tell Mrs. Nutty, but want to treat her on Sunday. So looking forward to Mother's Day. Appreciate your moms. Appreciate your moms out there, okay? Your moms go through, I'm sure all of our moms have gone through a lot just to put up with us. So appreciate your moms. Also, I always feel like Mother's Day at that time, if you've lost your mom, my condolences. And yeah, I don't know what that's like, but I wish you well. So yeah, everyone have a great weekend. Appreciate every one of you. Take care and God bless.